How to prepare to list your home. Not sure how to get your house ready to sell? Fortunately, there are steps you can take before putting your home on the market to increase your chances of receiving a solid offer from a buyer. I had a wonderful childhood growing up in small town Pennsylvania. After graduating college, I worked in the golf industry. Soon, I was recruited to be the executive director of the Women's South Carolina Golf Association, which brought me to Charleston, where I fell in love with all this great city has to offer. Pristine beaches, the history, and the championship caliber golf. Now, I spend my days helping others live their dream lifestyle here in this beautiful state. I'm Jennifer O'Brien, and this is Living the Charleston Coast Lifestyle. From cleaning and staging to repainting and depersonalizing, here are 7 things to do before you sell your home. First, call me. I will come by and walk your home with you to give you my opinion on where your time and money will be best spent on preparing your home for sale. I'll give you a free evaluation, what is the best price to list your home, and I'll give you a thoroughly laid out plan for how we're going to sell your home. 2, buy more light bulbs. Go ahead and stock up on light bulbs. When showing your house to potential buyers, all light fixtures and lamps will need to be turned on. For this reason, it's important that all lights in your home have working light bulbs. If a bulb is out, buyers assume there is something wrong with the electricity. This is an avoidable problem and an easy fix. 3, give your house a deep clean. First impressions mean a lot, so don't let foul smells, dirty floors, or dusty surfaces make a bad one on potential buyers. Before listing your home and throughout the selling process, give your home a deep clean. This means cleaning toilets, wiping down surfaces, mopping floors, cleaning rugs, and scrubbing bathrooms. Consider calling in the professionals, think Stanley Steamer and a housekeeper, to ensure that your place is in pristine condition. 4, declutter the home. Decluttering and organizing your space will go a long way in appealing to potential buyers. When a home is clutter-free, buyers are able to focus on the actual home instead of the junk, knickknacks, and overflowing closets. 5, call a handyman. When selling a home, you should have your handyman on speed dial. Make sure anything and everything that needs to be fixed, think locks, hardware, leaky faucets, running toilets, etc., has been taken care of before listing a home. Otherwise, buyers may think your home hasn't been well taken care of, and that can be a turnoff for many. 6, depersonalize your home. When selling a home, you want to strike the perfect balance between depersonalization and creating a warm, welcoming home. This means putting away the majority of framed photos, bulletin boards, and personal items like photo albums, toys, and awards. Leave a few nice framed photos around the house to make the home appear inviting and lived in. And 7, the first impression is the only impression. No matter how good the interior of your home looks, buyers have already judged your home before they walk through the door. You never have a second chance to make a first impression. It's important to make people feel warm, welcome, and safe as they approach the house. Spruce up your home's exterior with inexpensive shrubs and brightly colored flowers. You can typically get a 100% return on the money you put into your home's curb appeal. And congrats! You've spruced up your home and now it's ready to put on the market and get sold. Got questions about buying or selling a home on the Charleston coast? Call or text me, Jennifer O'Brien, at 610-283-0867 for a free copy of my exclusive Charleston Locals Guide with my hand-picked recommendations of the very best restaurants, tours, and fun activities throughout the Charleston area. Visit my website at jenniferobrienhomes.com. This is Jennifer O'Brien. Until next time on Living the Charleston Coast Lifestyle.